Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will learn about sales order in Tally. Select features to enable sales order. Select inventory features and enable sales order from it. Enable sales and purchase order from order processing. Go to Order Vouchers from Gateway of Tally. Select Party Name from Sales Order. Write all the additional details like mode of payment and delivery terms here. Select item name from the list. Write quantity and rate of item name. Select other item name. Write quantity and rate of item name. Select tax category and save the order voucher. Create one more order voucher with a different party. Write all the details in order voucher. Save the order voucher. Now create sales invoice against sale order. Select the party name from the list to create sales invoice. Order number will reflect in the list of orders. Select the order number for reference of sales invoice. All the details will come automatically from sales order. Save the sales invoice after checking it. Select Inventory Books to see the list of all the orders. Report of list of all sales order voucher will come. Select Sales Register to see list of all the sales voucher. We can also change quantity and rate of item in sales invoice. Now we will see the outstanding list of sales order. Choose Statements of Inventory from Display menu. Select Sales Order Outstanding. There are many options to see the outstanding report of sales order. Outstanding report of all the sales order will show like this with party and item wise. We can check ordered and balanced quantity from the report. We can also edit any sales order from here. In this way, we can create sales order in Tally. We will learn how to make purchase order in Tally in upcoming video. You can also import sales order from Excel to Tally by excel4tally.com. Search excel4tally.com on web. Sign up for free to import data. Call us or mail us for any query. Watch our other videos for Excel and Tally. Subscribe to our channel to get latest updates on Tally and Excel.